In the world of online selling, there are two major players, Shopify and eBay. Both offer unique paths to reach customers and grow businesses. Understanding their differences is key for anyone looking to sell online. eBay, launched in 1995, pioneered online auctions. It became a global marketplace for individuals and businesses to connect. Sellers list new or used items, often attracting bargain hunters. Shopify, founded in 2004, took a different approach. It empowers businesses to create their own online stores. Shopify provides the tools and infrastructure for a customized, branded shopping experience. Choosing between these platforms depends on various factors, including your business model, target audience, and growth aspirations. Let's dive deeper into the comparison. Shopify's strength lies in its customization and control. Businesses can design unique storefronts, manage inventory, and build their brand identity. Shopify also offers powerful marketing tools and integrates with various sales channels. However, Shopify comes with monthly fees and transaction costs. Building a customer base requires marketing efforts and driving traffic to your store. eBay, on the other hand, boasts a massive existing customer base. Listing items is simple and straightforward, attracting sellers with its ease of use. The auction format can generate excitement and higher prices for unique or in-demand products. But eBay's marketplace structure means competing with other sellers. Limited customization options make it challenging to stand out. eBay also charges fees on each sale, impacting profit margins. Understanding these core differences is crucial. It helps entrepreneurs choose the platform that aligns best with their business goals. Shopify's impact on e-commerce is undeniable. Its growth trajectory highlights its increasing dominance in the industry. As of 2023, Shopify powers over 4.4 million online stores worldwide. This represents a significant share of the e-commerce market. The platform has facilitated over $630 billion in sales, showcasing its ability to support businesses of all sizes. These numbers reflect Shopify's appeal to entrepreneurs seeking control and scalability. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features empower businesses to thrive in the competitive online landscape. So, which platform reigns supreme? The answer, as with most business decisions, is nuanced. It depends entirely on your specific needs and goals. For new sellers with unique products and a desire to build a brand, Shopify offers the ideal environment. It provides the tools to craft a captivating online presence and control the customer journey. eBay suits sellers looking for quick entry into the market with existing products. Its vast customer base and simple listing process make it easy to start generating sales. Ultimately, the key is to carefully consider your priorities. Weigh the pros and cons of each platform to determine the best fit for your online selling journey.